Have you been looking for ways to generate some much-needed income in these uncertain and trying times? Have you joined opportunities with promises only to be left feeling unfulfilled? Or joined a program where the only significant money is in hoping that a new member upgrades? I'd like to introduce you to something that is simple, affordable, and will allow you to earn a significant weekly income, all from the comfort of your own home. Introducing Armchaire Income, a new direct mail postcard program with a unique 2-level compensation plan. Actually, the Armchaire Income program is 2 opportunities on 1 postcard. And with only 2 price points, the Armchaire Income opportunity is very simple, offering a little something for everyone. And the best part? No upgrades. You know exactly what you can expect to earn from your efforts. Here is how the Armchaire Income compensation plan works. When you join Armchaire Income at the $40 futon level, you will receive 60 postcards and 60 names on peel and stick labels. You will then be in position to receive $10 level 1 commissions and 20 postcards and names each time you refer someone to join you in the Armchaire Income opportunity. You will also be placed on your referrals level 2 and in position to receive $25 commissions each time your referral has someone join them in Armchaire Income. When you join on the $155 Lazy Boy level, you will receive 180 postcards and 180 names on peel and stick labels. You will then be in position to receive $40 level 1 commissions and 60 postcards and names each time you refer someone to join you in the Armchaire Income opportunity. You will also be placed on your referrals level 2 and in position to receive $100 commissions each time your referral has someone join them in Armchaire Income. You can join at either level. The choice is yours. But the beauty of the Armchaire Income compensation plan is when you join both levels for $175. You then position yourself to earn commissions of cash, postcards, and names on both levels. Not only do you save $20 when you join both levels at the same time, you are maximizing your leverage potential with the Armchaire Income opportunity. What do we mean by this? Let's say you join the Armchaire Income opportunity on both levels and refer someone who only joins the $40 futon level. Since you have joined both levels, you and your upline stay on your new referrals postcard at the $155 Lazy Boy level, so your new referral will begin mailing for you and your upline. Other members mailing for you on your behalf. That's leverage. Now don't worry if we've confused you with what member is where and on what postcard. We track and take care of all of that, then mail you your cash, postcard, and name commissions each week. You just write your unique Armchaire Income ID number you were assigned when you joined on your postcards, mail them out, and then get comfy as you wait for the cash to start arriving in your mailbox. That's it. We take care of the rest. So if you've been looking for a simple, affordable, easy-to-work opportunity that can bring you a steady, consistent stream of income, look no further. The Armchaire Income Direct Mail Postcard Program has arrived.